What's going on, guys? It's me, Levi. I'm back here with another adventure. Today, we're going to the beach. It's supposed to be extremely warm this week. It's supposed to be in the 70s, so we decided to go to the beach because why not? It's February, you know, it makes sense. The whole gang's coming this time. We got Seth, Cheyenne, Caden, of course. We just made it to Wilmington, and we're at a restaurant, and we're gonna go eat. This restaurant, guys, has like the best food ever.
I would take it.
Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. These aren't my glasses. I'm gonna eat this amazing meal, and then I don't know what we're gonna get into from there. I think we're gonna go check in to the hotel. Well, we might walk around a little bit, and then we'll check in. I'm not used to like filming in public and vlogging in public, so this is like new to me. I don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna keep doing it until I get comfortable talking to a camera in front of people. We're not in the woods hiking today. Me and Caden are out here in the city going to get gelato. Caden's never had gelato. I don't even know where we're going.
You guys missed it. I had somebody yell at Seth, told him that he couldn't even afford to buy his girlfriend a new pair of pants.
Wait, who said that?
Some guy on a bike.
Was he joking?
Yeah, he was joking. He was like, can't even afford to buy your new girlfriend or your girlfriend some new pants.
Your pants are jagged.
I did it. It's fashion.
We made it to the hotel. Okay. Oh my gosh.
Are we gonna fit?
Get up in here.
Okay, you're the pilot. Oh, okay. Okay, no!
I pushed on it pretty hard to get it to stop too.
Man, check it out.
Damn, it's beachfront.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Our view.
Wow. It's the ocean.
That's the ocean. So, we're going swimming in the indoor pool? I think we're going to the indoor pool.
I don't know. Moment of truth.
They don't have a freaking hot tub. I don't hear any bubbles.
Dude, there's... Oh my gosh.
At least we have it to ourselves. That's kind of cool. So, we've made it to the beach. Absolutely beautiful right now, dude. I mean, like, you couldn't ask for better weather right now. It's like 70 degrees right now. We got some surfers out here too. Just look at this.
The sunset.
The sunset is gorgeous.
Yeah, dude. It just keeps getting better, I feel like. Man.
It's like something you probably can't really see on camera. Or at least like to the degree that we're seeing it. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. We're at a bar, a restaurant, and we're eating some food. I forgot to update you guys, but we made it. We ate some spicy duck wings. It made me breathe fire out my nose.
Hey, food!
Look at that food. Yeah. I got poutine. I've never had poutine before, but all you people from up north or Canada, this is gonna be my first time trying poutine. Granted, it's not in Canada, but it says authentic, so we're gonna see.
I got chicken and waffles. They're gonna be fire. The thing is, you only order chicken and waffles if
like the restaurant looks kind of shitty and you're a little worried that, like, you know, maybe you get some color in your food, that's the only time the chicken and waffles are going to be good.
Skateboard place. And I'm so mad at you.
We're talking about this time. Well, all right, I'm gonna tell a story. I'm gonna tell a story anyway.
Okay.
All right. It was like my first week of driving. I was going to the skate park and I had my permit. And I was super excited, and I made it there smoothly. And keep in mind that we were going through traffic. It was a busy city. I finally make it to the skate park, and we get to the skate park, and I pull in. And as soon as I pull into the parking spot, I go to hit the brake, and there's a concrete wall right in front of the parking spot. And I go to hit the brake, and instead of hitting the brake, I hit the gas, and I just rammed into the wall as hard as I could. And then apparently, I don't remember. I guess I was traumatized because I don't really remember what happens next. But apparently, they said that I got really upset, and we went home. I didn't even go skating.
All right, we're hitting the hay. Everybody's chilling. Trying fucking through, bro. All right, I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow, but we're gonna figure it out. Might be going to the aquarium or something, and we're definitely gonna go to the beach. I'm trying to wake up a little bit early, maybe catch the sunrise a little bit, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the morning. What's up, guys? We just woke up. It's like super early and we're catching sunrise, or at least trying to catch some kind of sunrise out here on the beach. Oh man, it's looking pretty nice. It's foggy. I mean, it's kind of foggy, but it's beautiful as crap. This is the way to start a morning, I tell you that. Seeing the sunset over mountains and the sunrise over mountains is one thing, but like, I don't know if you can beat a sunrise or a sunset over the ocean. It's just beautiful, and it keeps getting more beautiful. Every time I think it's done, it's like, it keeps getting more beautiful. We're good, we're gonna go back. I think that there's a coffee shop down the road, and I think that we might go get coffee. I think we're going to go to the aquarium after we go eat. It's a pretty cool aquarium, and then they have like an outdoor place. You'll see, it's pretty cool. We're at the aquarium now. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna bring my phone in there because I can't bring a camera in there, and then we're gonna go film some stuff. We're gonna go check it out. What is this? Oh my gosh, they're right there.
Most animals do, but it's like really the alligator.
Oh my gosh.
These type of otters right here, 100% are my new favorite animal. They're so freaking cute. Look at him. They're all about me. Oh, he's a real puffer fish, man. Yeah.
Don't do John like
What's
that.
up? Super beautiful out here, this garden. The sun's kind of popping out again. I love these kinds of ferns. I don't know
what kind of fern that is, if anybody knows. I like those. And I like the trees that grow here. And you got palm trees. I feel like I'm in a jungle right now. I mean, I kind of am. I don't know. We got some turtles. Living life. All right, guys, so we're leaving the aquarium now. I freaking got a hat with an otter on it because it's my new favorite animal. I'll show it to you when I get in the car. Eh? I mean, come on. Looking good. Got the otter, okay, the otter. New favorite animal. I'm feeling good, okay. So where we go? Or what?
Where go?
Where are we at?
We're at, I believe this is Fort Fisher Park.
We're at some kind of like recreational area. It's very beautiful here. There's a lot of things. There's
I just told you where we're at.
Fort Fisher something. We're at
look.
Fort Fisher.
We're at Fort Fisher Historical
I can't
Park.
see anything.
Okay. Such a scenic little place, little boardwalk near the fort. It's beautiful. And like the weather, I mean, is the best I've ever freaking experienced. It's amazing. We're gonna go up to this cannon thing. All right, we're up here at the top. Pretty rad. You can see the cranes out there. Just beautiful here, dude. It's so crazy to me to think that literally 2 days ago, 3 days ago, I wasn't even planning to come here. And just on a whim, I thought about it. It just came to my head to like go to the beach. And you know, normally I don't go to the beach and film stuff like this, but it just felt right for some reason to come here this week. And it was a great trip. Honestly, beautiful, beautiful weather. I mean, like, you couldn't ask for better weather in February, 100%, hands down. With that being said, I think this concludes this whole vlog. It was a little different than what we normally do on this channel. Normally I'm like out in the mountains, hiking, camping, doing stuff like that. But this was kind of like a little fun beach vlog here in Wilmington and Carolina Beach and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. If you did, you can like and subscribe. That would really help this channel out. I mean, more than you know. And yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out. Live college.